is going on, guys? Today is first full day of Mustang week, I guess day 2. I am very excited to kind of get out and see all our friends and different cars and everything over here. We are gonna swap on the drag pack on the Cobra real quick because it looks awesome. So I am gonna go ahead and get the drag wheels swapped here real quick. I've already pretty much started doing it, so we're just gonna jump right to it. If you guys want to enter to win the Turbo Bullet, every $5 you spend on the website is 20 entries right now. 20 times entries. This giveaway ends September 12th. Definitely go down in the description to get entered. Let's get these wheels swapped. All right, and just like that, we got the car on the drag pack. Let's go head over and see some Mustangs. Right now, I think the car looks pretty good as a backup to the backup to the backup of the car to bring, but looks pretty good. A little bit of a cold start. Nothing like having that AC. Hey guys, quick reminder, Friday at 8 p.m. we are doing the YouTuber Meet. We have a Facebook event link down in the description. Myrtle Beach, Friday. We will see you guys there. We'll have all the merch. We'll have the Cobra, the Bullet over there, and we have Derek Barron Productions, Jonathan Harder, Xander, that 1320 chick, Italian Stallion, Brandon Miranda. I think that's everyone. If there's other YouTubers, let me know. But come out and see your favorite YouTubers, and probably one of the biggest unofficial Mustang Week events existing. So should be a lot of fun. We'll see you guys there. All right, guys. So we are in the Cobra. We got the AC cranking because it's actually pretty warm today and humid. Feels like Florida. So we are headed over to Broadway to pull into the show, and we'll see what's going on there. Done any pulls in this car in a while, so it's on 93, so it's not nearly as fast as E85, and especially with the nitro spot. There's a little tunnel right here, so might as well just see. It still pulls really good for 93 octane. Pulls really good for just being on 93. It's pretty quick still. And it ran like 11, high 11s, so NA, so it's pretty good. So I see a Terminator right there, and one over there. Oh, and one right there, I think. Probably so confused if they don't know the car. They're like, why does that car sound so weird? Why is it auto? Alright, so I can see those Terminators. They caught up behind me. Over here, we can already see there are a bunch of Mustangs here. So I guess we're gonna go in and park it up. I guess we'll get parked next to some Terminators behind us, so that'll be cool. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of people here, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet, so definitely should be a lot of different cars to see. Mustangs of all kinds. Got the Cobra parked. So I decided to pop the hood, see if we can confuse some people. Boosted S197. There's a lot of boosted Coyotes out here. Yeah. I like the color. It looks good. Yeah, it kind of looks like crimson red. you know, the newer color.
That's kind of what I was kind of going for. Next year it's going to be red to black. So
nice.
when it's coming towards you, it's going to look black. Right here it's going to be red. Going out west, it's going to be black.
Nice. That's cool.
Trying to support the USA right there.
Yeah. The wheels look really good. I haven't seen these wheels before.
They're not SVT, Soulless SVT got them.
Nice.
They want to recommend them to me.
Yeah, they look good because everyone has the same wheels. These are different than everyone else.
Yeah, man. I try to keep it a little different. I don't like to be like everybody else. Man.
Looks good.
You know that. You know, you like to be all badass.
This is something you don't see too often. This is the old Cervini Stalker body kit. New Edge Mustang. I think it actually pulls it off. I was never really a huge fan of this one, but it looks pretty good, especially when it's absolutely slammed. Mist Chrome, Terminator, Whipple. Wheels on this 2020 GT500 look really good. Definitely an interesting color combo. This car looks familiar. What is going on here?
Hey, how many miles on the dog?
What's up, dude?
How are you?
What up, dude?
How you doing?
How are you doing? Got the car together and running in time?
Yeah.
So what, 2 weeks ago you had it all apart?
About 2.5.
Yeah, 2.5.
Built that motor, put it in, and somewhat tuned it. I'm very bad at industry.
I mean, I'd like to give it a shot, but yeah, no, it looks good.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, from not being together and not running 2 weeks ago to new engine management and built motor, it's pretty good.
Hopefully she'll make it 950. Not quite as much as that'll try, but you know, close.
Gotta get some ported heads, dude.
Eventually.
Yep.
Hit up old Jordan for that.
Yeah, Jordan loves 4-valve heads. He loves doing them.
I don't know what's going on.
There's always confused looks around the confused Cobra. The name's pretty fitting. Very nice set of Cobras.
Okay, so just got a double glass. What do you think?
Got a Whipple, Mist Chrome Vert, silver convertible squad right here. Very nice. This car has some 4-piston Brembos up front. That's pretty cool. Always loved the Mist Chrome Terminator. Although if I had one, I would definitely prefer a coupe. And I say that as someone who currently owns a Terminator convertible just like this. I think this is the orange Cobra and white Cobra I saw rolling. This one's got a BMP, stock blower on this one. Looks like some true forged wheels. It's pretty nice. Trinity GT500 convertible. Definitely one of my favorite cars I've seen out here. Very cool. SVO exhaust. Very nice. Interior. Looks like a Holly. Another Mist Chrome Terminator. It's got an interesting front lip on it. Convertible. I've seen this car in Florida a few times. Always looks super clean. Very nice car. This wide body S550 looks sweet. Definitely looks pretty wild. I approve. Looks so good. Single turbo Coyote. Looks really good. Bumper exit. Red Fire Terminator. Got two Celine new edges. Very nice Sonic Blue Lightning. Very nice.
Coming into the show.
So I guess last night after I left, there was a white truck that was apparently drunk. Did like some sort of weird burnout thing. Hit the curb over there and then hit a Fox body into a Coyote Mustang. So if I can find the clip of that, I'll post it up here, but that was definitely weird. I was obviously not a Mustang, but crashing into Mustangs, which sucks. Here's a really nice car, True Blue Bullet. Looks really nice. Got a Vortec, or yeah, Vortec on it. Engine bay, super clean. Definitely the most Mistachrome Terminators I've seen in one place. Is there a Blue Mach 1? Single turbo, 01 Cobra. Very nice. There are definitely a lot of Terminators in Myrtle Beach. A lot of cars, a lot of Mustangs. Oh, there's another one. They are all over the place. It's pretty cool. So this is an interesting car. Green. 13, 14? No, it might be 11, 12. Can't tell. But it says turbo on it, maybe. Does it have a turbo? I don't know. I love these Grabber Lime 2020 GT500s. They look fantastic. Definitely still want one. The want is real. A lot of Mustangs rolling in. So we found Xander 13 on YouTube. Just recently switched over to a supercharger, front twin turbo. I got this fresh 1314 GT500, Drew's car right here. He'll soon be 1,300 wheel horsepower soon, right?
I wish. Let me get your motor.
We can talk about that. Okay. E85.
That's good.
Yeah, that sounds good. A little loud. Adjust my ears after that one.
I haven't really heard it outside of the
It's loud, very deep. Yeah. Yeah, see, it rumbles your eardrums.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, it rumbles the eardrums.
It's loud, but it's awesome. I want it deep. Love it.
No, Steve's leaving. This wide body RTR looks good. There goes Ryan. All right, I think we're gonna head out of here. A lot of people tag the Cobra in some Instagram stories, which is cool. Alright guys, so we're gonna leave out of the main meet and greet. We're gonna head to Let's Go Automotive. They're doing a dyno day over there. We're gonna check out some cars there and see what happens. Later on, it's the Beaver Bar meet. Usually there's a bunch of burnouts. They usually have a burnout pit. So should be a fun time. Let's see what happens. There's that wide body signature edition right there. Looks very nice. There's a Mistachrome Cobra up here. Pretty cool. Lots of those out here. Alright, so we made it to the dyno day. There's this really nice 1314 Deep Impact Blue GT500. We got the Cobra. We got an Odin S197 going on the dyno too, which should be pretty cool. And I would expect to see a bunch more cars here showing up. Alright, so we're going to see what this S197 puts down.
I wonder if this hurts.
I've heard those are pretty... They flow pretty good. I think that's for his, since his hood is kind of open, so the rain, it's like
there's a hole right there. Yep.
Yeah, it's a hydrophobic filter. Yep. But yeah, he's trying to see hopefully 700.
Did you hit the button?
Yeah.
Just go back to it.
There it is. Hey, it's consistent. That's pretty good. I mean, consistent. It's the same. Exactly the same. Yeah, it's hitting the speed limiter. Still. Two Buster 2s. That's pretty cool. Tow hook on the front. Nice S197. Man, drag pack looks so much better than the Chrome Cobras. This car looks pretty good. Got some more cars rolling up. There's also a Super here. This looks sweet. I missed it. That sounded good. Oh.
Well, I got noise. But they were saying they can't mount those.
I think that one's going on the dyno. That one's got some turbo. Very nice. I think I hear a little bit of Pro Charger. 1314 Trinity GT500. Looks like the basic bolt-ons. 2.4 throttle body, JLT 123. There's a sticker right there. Nice. So this one should be interesting. It's got a ported blower too. APS elbow. .648. Man, this is a heartbreaker.
I told you.
That's a 670 to 700 wheel horsepower setup. It's pulling strong though.
You're gonna start seeing cars a little bit higher RPM.
Yep. Behind the scenes of Xander 13 here. This is what we look like behind the scenes. That sounds pretty rowdy. That sounds good.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep. Hey, finally broke above 7.
Oh, that was scary.
This sounds rowdy.
It came in rowdy.
Yeah, it picked up the back end. A16. All right, boost controller, turn it up.
Turbo came in. I told you. Oh, buddy.
Pop the back loose so it'll pop forward.
That's called ram air. It's compound boosted now.
Shout out to Lord above right there, 777.
We have Drew's 1314 GT500. Bolt-ons, see what it does. Sounds good.
Look at the torque though, yeah, 634.
So that's exactly what mine made stock, but I think this dyno just reads a little bit low.
I think so.
Because normally your car would make like 650, 670.
It's hot.
That's what
Oh, you can smell it, yeah. It's hot.
that's what my car made, bone stock.
Got a hell of a lot of torque though.
Yep.
Yeah, the torque is money right there.
Get all the y'all.
How you feeling right now?
Like shit. Sorry. Lose that out.
Yep.
Oh, it's heat soaked.
Heat soaked.
Yeah, heat soaked, yep.
Yep.
That sucks. So, lost 30 horsepower. Torque is close. Still up there. Yeah, it's close.
Well, guess you just need to add some more power. This is that other Trinity car with the ported blower compared to the last one. Yeah, 678. So definitely had some fun at Let's Go Automotive. These guys also have E85 here in town, which is very convenient. I'm gonna take off. Make sure you guys slap the like button. I think we're gonna separate Beaver Bar into a separate video. Probably a lot of burnouts and a lot of different things, and this video is already probably super long, but make sure you slap the like button down below, get entered to win the Turbo Bullet, and we will see you guys in the next one. Friday night meet at Myrtle Beach Mall Hooters for the YouTuber meet at 8, and we'll see you guys in the next one.